vreau să vă arăt niște produse de încălzire pe care le-am descoperit, făcute în Finlanda, super, super faine, despre care nici nu știam și n-am mai auzit până acum, care de fapt se pun mai degrabă pe bărci. E vorba de Wallas, care fac încălzitoare, cuptoare și plite pe diesel. Totul este absolut pe diesel și totul se poate servisa manual. Și o să lăsăm să povestească mai degrabă omul din spatele brandului. So yeah, this is gonna be in English again. So yeah.
Yeah. Hey everybody, my name is Lauri. I work for Wallas Marin. So we are a Finnish-based company. We have been building diesel heaters for over 50 years now, only for boats. Then we realized that camper vans are just boats on wheels. So yeah, we are first year in the camper van market and really huge interest. And well, what we have to show you is 4 types of diesel machines. We have an oven, 2 different stoves, water heater and an air heater. That's basically what we do. All work on diesel and all work on a different principle than our competitors. So our competitors use so-called turbulent burning process, which makes a distinguished sound, and our systems only utilize laminar flow. So our burning process is completely silent, and the flame inside the burning chamber is kind of like a candle flame. So it makes absolutely no noise. And this has been developed over 50 years ago, and we use still the same burning technique.
So now here we have the air heater.
Yes. So this is the 3 kilowatt air heater called Viking. And we have also 5 kilowatt version which is called Spartan. 3 kilowatt water heater, also named Viking water, and there's also a 5 kilowatt version.
Okay, so all of them come in 3 and 5.
Yes.
And here we have
a metrixheater. So in the water heating system, there's possibility to heat up shower water, dishing water, and also the whole van. So what this does is take thermal energy out of the coolant, which is heated up in the water heater and makes hot air out of it.
Okay, so it's a heat exchanger practically.
Practically, yeah, with a silent fan.
With a silent fan.
Yeah.
And this is the small version.
Yes.
And
so
there's also
two versions, 1.8 kilowatt, and the big boy is lying here.
The big boy.
Yeah, 3.6 kilowatts.
Which has 2 blowers actually.
2 fans, yes, and yeah, all the same kind of fan, but double the amount.
And we have the cooking situation.
Yes. So 2 different stoves. Here's the 1200 stacked with another one. The idea is that the diesel burner is underneath the circle here.
Mm-hmm.
When diesel is burned, it creates heat, and the heat radiates upwards through the pot. The exhaust gas travel underneath the other side and exit the corner. What this does is it heats up the other side up to 400 to 500 degrees. And the idea is that you boil your water here, move it aside, put your pasta in or potatoes in, and then you can sear your fish or vegetables or meat there.
So this is like the hot one, and this is the smaller one. The bigger eye and the smaller eye, for like you would have a regular stove kind of.
Yes.
Okay. And there's also
a little sister.
Yeah, this is the
600. It's basically the same. Both are 2 kilowatts. This doesn't have the other side, so this fits better in a smaller one.
Nice.
Yeah, and the module is 1200 seated. Is from Volkswagen T6.
Okay.
It's really well there.
It's big enough.
Yeah, and the stove is 12 centimeters underneath the countertop, so it's a stainless steel box underneath, and the stainless steel box is air cooled, so you can install it really tightly, even on top of a fridge.
Oh, nice. It's completely insulated. It doesn't heat up the fridge, for instance.
Yes, exactly. And the fuel consumption is very low. That's the main idea behind diesel, to be self-sufficient and independent from the grid. So here you can see the fuel consumption is at maximum level 2 deciliters, so 200 milliliters an hour.
That's really decent.
really decent. And you can connect all the devices straight to the tank of the car. So you are going to have 60 to 80 liters of diesel, so you are never going to run out of diesel. And if you do, you have other problems than cooking. Also, the electricity consumption is really low. Maximum 0.
Half an amp.
Yeah.
That's really low.
That's basically nothing. Yeah. So we have been doing this a long time to sailboats and even before any lithium-ion batteries. So it needed to be
Very
efficient. So that's what we do.
And I know you also have like the stove?
Oven.
Well, oven. Yeah.
So, to my understanding, the only diesel oven in the market.
Yeah, I haven't heard of any ever.
Yeah. It works as a convection oven. So we take the heat out of the exhaust gas of the diesel burning. So it has the same burner behind it, and we circulate the air through the oven space and between the exhaust pipes.
So you get the even cooking, basically.
Even cooking, yeah. So no burning on the bottom and raw on the top.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Okay. And I know all of them can be configured to be used with Wi-Fi, and they have an app.
Yes.
So
Let's see here. We have our Wallas mobile app. It's free, of course, and especially the heaters can be controlled via Bluetooth. So
Yeah.
if you're laying on your
bed or
bed in the van, you can change the temperature just by clicking it. And if you're away from the van, you can use the Wi-Fi function. And the Wi-Fi function allows you to control the heat from anywhere in the world. So you can leave your van up in the wilderness of Norway and still get rid of the condensation and moisture.
nice.
And this is especially practical if you are, let's say you are on a long day hike, and you come back to the van 15 minutes before you arrive. You can heat up the van, and it's already
Be nice and comfortable.
nice and toasty, yeah. And what comes to the servicing, when your device is connected to internet, we back at Wallas factory can see everything the device has done through its lifetime. So if you have any problems, we can diagnose it and even properly fix it. For example, if you can start your heater, we can check your heater by the serial number, and we can see that your battery voltage is low. We call you, charge up your battery, everything works.
Nice.
Service cost needed. No, it's gonna save time and money for everybody. It's a minute job for us, and well, it works from anywhere in the world if you can call us.
And what's the lifespan or the service time on it?
So the service interval is the same as our competitors' life cycle. And I think that's pretty impressive. These are meant to last up to 40,000 hours. So if you divide it by years and days, it's gonna last a hell of a long time. It's gonna need some servicing, of course. There are no moving parts, but there's gonna be some things to notice. So in the heater, you can see there is the burning chamber.
Yeah.
There's a glow plug.
Yeah.
Diesel always uses glass fiber bottom mat and temperature sensor. Those are the parts you are gonna need to service at some point of the lifetime. So about 2,000 hours is the first service.
2,000 hours.
Yeah,
That's a lot. And also, this is on now.
Yes.
This is on.
So as the burning process is silent,
Yeah.
the only thing that is gonna make noise is the ventilation fan, which pushes the warm air through the device and into the van.
But it's very, very silent.
Yeah. And it's on now at level 2, and the microphone is right next to the device.
Yeah, it's not doing much.
No, it's doing much, but not much sound.
Yeah, if you put it on max, it's probably gonna be a bit loud, but
It's gonna
for
be
general use,
bit loud.
it's amazing.
general use. The level 4 is almost the maximum. But if you want, you can also have it on level 6 or boost mode, which ramps up the ventilation fan up to the max, and then it's gonna blow. I think it's 50% more air than any other air heater in the market.
Nice.
So defrosting is easy with Wallas.
Nice.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you
you
very
very
much for this. And people will find you We'll put a link in the description, like Instagram and your website.
And we will be in Finland.
And Finland.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.